The connector is part of your small engine's fuel system. It is inserted through the tank grommet and the fuel line is attached to it. Over time, the connector can become brittle and eventually break in two. Replacing the connector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. With the air filter cover removed, I can better access the grommet. Next, I'll use a small screwdriver to remove it from the tank. Next, I'll remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. With the fuel line assembly removed from the tool, now I have easy access to replace the connector. I'll pull the old connector out of the grommet. Now remove the fuel line clamp from the end of the fuel line, and then I can remove the connector. Now I can install the new connector. I'll place the clamp back over the fuel line and insert the connector into the fuel line, making sure the clamp stays over the top of the nipple. Then I'll press the connector back through the grommet. Now I can reinstall the grommet back into the fuel tank. I'll use a little 2-cycle oil to lubricate it. I'll place the fuel filter and fuel line through the opening in the tank, start the grommet into the tank, and then carefully use a small screwdriver to push the grommet back into the opening. I want to be careful that I don't tear the grommet or damage one of the fuel lines. Once the grommet is firmly reinstalled, I can reconnect the fuel lines. And I'll finish by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to replace the connector on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.